Swarm drones, often called the deadly insects of modern warfare, represent the latest leap in battlefield threats, combining AI-driven autonomy, low cost, and mass effect to overwhelm conventional defenses. India, recognizing the risks posed by such systems, has launched a multi-pronged strategy to outsmart swarm drones and secure its future battlefields. So, what are swarm drones? Swarm drones are coordinated groups of autonomous or semi-autonomous drones that communicate and operate as a single unit. Unlike traditional single UAVs, swarm drones use AI and distributed networking to share information, adapt tactics on the fly, and continue missions even if some members are destroyed. India, recognizing the risks posed by such systems, has launched a multi-pronged strategy to outsmart swarm drones and secure its future battlefields. What exactly are swarm drones? Well, they're coordinated groups of autonomous or semi-autonomous drones that communicate and operate as a single unit. Unlike traditional single UAVs, swarm drones use AI and distributed networking to share information, adapt tactics on the fly, and continue missions even if some members are destroyed. Equipped with high-resolution cameras, object recognition, and precision navigation, each drone in a swarm can adjust to changing battlefield scenarios in real time. Their ability to operate autonomously and attack from multiple directions simultaneously makes defending against them significantly harder and costlier than confronting traditional threats. Why are swarm drones so dangerous? First, a swarm of commercially adapted drones can be far cheaper than the air defense missiles or systems needed to intercept them. Second, even a small swarm, dozens or hundreds, can saturate air defenses, acting as both decoys and attackers. Third, with AI on board, swarms can sense and avoid threats, split or regroup as needed, and make targeting decisions without operator intervention. And finally, their small size and use of plastics or composites make detection difficult, with very low radar signatures. Recent wars have already highlighted the devastating impact of drone swarms. In Ukraine, kamikaze drones and coordinated drone attacks have inflicted significant losses on much larger armored forces. In West Asia, cheap drones have penetrated high-tech defense systems, striking high-value infrastructure. These lessons have been noted in India, especially during Operation Sindoor, where coordinated drone incursions exposed gaps in legacy airspace control and prompted an urgent response. India's risk is accentuated by porous and contested borders, allowing covert drone launches by state or non-state actors. A diverse civil and military landscape poses challenges for distinguishing friend from foe. High-value static targets, like airbases, radars, and critical infrastructure, could be hit by surprise swarm attacks. To address these, India requires a whole-of-nation response, involving not only military but also intelligence, policing, and even civic authorities in detection and rapid response. How India plans to outsmart drone swarms is through its new flagship counter-drone grid, developed with Bharat Electronics Laiti, featuring both soft and hard kill options. Saksham covers the airspace up to 3,000 meters, providing real-time detection, tracking, identification, and neutralization of hostile drones. It links radars, electro-optical sensors, and AI analytics on a secure battlefield network with automated decision support. An indigenous, multi-layered counter-swarm drone weapon, Bhargavastra includes both unguided micro-rockets for killing swarms en masse and guided micro-missiles for precision. It also employs jamming and spoofing, or what's called soft kill. Its radar can detect low-signature drones at up to 10 kilometers, making it capable against even sophisticated threats. Startups like Green Robotics have developed drone domes, for example, Indrajal, capable of detecting, tracking, and neutralizing multiple aerial threats at once using AI, sensor fusion, and EW tools. International partnerships and imports, such as the Israeli Heron and Harop, have played a key role as India deploys advanced ISR and loitering drone killers from Israel. These systems are helping to fill capability gaps while the domestic industry continues to mature. The recent induction of US MQ-9B drones brings, long-range persistent ISR and strike options, which really adds credibility to India's layered defense approach. Looking ahead, there are both challenges and opportunities. As drone technology, honestly, evolves at a rapid pace, defenses must be continuously upgraded through AI enhancements, larger sensor networks, and new hard and soft kill techniques. India is actively seeking low-cost solutions that can be mass-produced and deployed at scale across its vast borders and critical sites. And of course, training security and civil personnel for drone detection and initial response, along with building robust reporting and escalation frameworks, is absolutely essential. So, in conclusion, with solutions like Saksham and Bhargavastra, India is really on course to develop one of the world's most robust anti-swarm drone grids. This combines homegrown innovation, international collaboration, and layered integration for a comprehensive defense. Continuous research and development active field trials and the Atmanirbhar Bharat, or self-reliance drive, ensure that India's response will be uniquely tailored to its security needs and operational realities. By merging AI sensor fusion, electronic warfare, and precision engagement, India is developing a rapidly adaptive defense, one that's ready to counter even the smartest and deadliest drones of the future battlefield. Thanks for watching. If you found the video insightful, hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.